All right, moving on to other breaking news coming in. We learned that a girl aged around 3 years fell into a borewell in Kotlipur district of Rajasthan. The rescue operations are underway to save the girl. Remember, the rescue operation has been underway since last night. We're talking about a 3-year-old girl who fell into the borewell. We have Piyush joining us live from the place of incident. Piyush, what is the update on the rescue operations and how far has the rescue operations reached?
So very quickly, I will just ask my video journalist Vijay Mahesh to just show the visuals. Now, it's been more than 52 hours since this unfortunate incident occurred where a 3.5-year-old girl identified as Chetna, who was playing around the borewell of her farm, suddenly fell into it and now is being stuck in the 150 feet borewell. And you can understand the kind of complication that is involved in this entire process, that it has now taken over 52 hours, but yet the rescue work is being carried out by the officials of the NDRF, the officials of SDRF, and also the officials of Rajasthan Police who are present over here. Now, what you're witnessing over here, this machine is the piling machine that was brought in yesterday evening in order to expedite the process. However, this has also not resulted in any improvement in situation, because the major challenge which is being faced by the officials over here is that because the sand over here is quite moist, this machine which is being used is rather making the sand get much more deeper and is only making the rescue operation more complicated, because the girl unfortunately is going to get dug even much more deeper into that sand. So you can understand that right now the process of making the machines operational is being stopped, and the officials over here, and again I will just request my video journalists to just show the visuals. The officials over here are just trying to figure the way out of how they can take out this 3.5-year-old girl safely. Important to note, more than 52 hours have passed in, and you can understand that the people over here are also getting anxious. So yes, the situation on the ground is that officials are right now figuring out the way of how they can take out the 3.5-year-old safely, who is also fighting very courageously to survive, being stuck in the 150 feet deep trench. Back to the studio.
Right, Piyush, stay with me, because what I also want to know from you is that what is the condition of the girl, because as you were telling us, it's been more than 52 hours since the 3-year-old has been stuck in the borewell. The rescue operations are underway. What are you learning from the authorities since you are there on the ground? What is the condition of the 3-year-old child?
I will again request my video journalists to just show the visuals of the people over here who are involved in the rescue operations. You can understand that the kind of challenges which is being faced by them also in order to rescue the girl. Now, I will just tell you of whatever word we have had a word with the senior officials over here, which includes the officials from the NDRF, the SDRF, and also the officials from the Rajasthan Police. What they have told us is that the sand is quite moist, and because of which they are also trying to find it very difficult to locate the present location of 3.5-year-old Chetna. So thereby you are witnessing that how they are also now trying to install another camera so that the process of finding Chetna can also be made slightly easier.
Right.
Again, as I said, there are a lot of challenges, and because there are a lot of difficulties, you are witnessing that it is taking a lot of time. I would again request my video journalists to also show the visuals of the villagers over here. Now, because it is taking a lot of time, it is only increasing the anxiety, and one may say somewhat of the anger is also now stepping in of the villagers over here, who are now getting quite impatient and restless.
Right.
However, the officials over here are trying to opine with them and training them that this process is complicated, and all steps are being taken to rescue the 3.5-year-old Chetna, who is fighting courageously to survive. Back to the studio.
Right. Right, Piyush. We'll keep going back to you on that top story. Rescue operations are underway. It's been 52 hours since the rescue operations are relentless to save the 3-year-old child who has been stuck in the borewell since last night. But for now, it's time for us to move on and slip into a